We don't need no more history lessons. We need building lessons, organization lessons. That's why, as soon as we get this HVAC settled, that's why, as soon as we get the HVAC situation settled at FDMG, once we get that HVAC done on that gym and that HVAC done on that school, I'm telling you right now, if you are ready to work, you've come to the right place at the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. If you are ready to work, Africans, you have come to the right place at the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. If you are ready to work, Africans, you have come to the right place at the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy, because there will be meetings for all of the above. There will be meetings for all of the above. You want to help us with the school? Build more schools, because we're not just going to have one school. We got to put them everywhere, brothers and sisters. Don't worry about the work on the school. The question you need to ask yourself, what institution are you building? See, that's the question. I'm taking care of my institution for the people. Where is your institution that you are building for the people? That is the question. Where is the institution you are building for the people? Because the Mink Slide Museum is not a solution. The Mink Slide Museum doesn't solve a single problem in Black America. That is an economic hustle for one coon to pay his bills in the suburbs. The Mink Slide Museum will not address the miseducation of our children. It is not a grade school. The Mink Slide Museum is not a hospital. The Mink Slide Museum is not a bank. The Mink Slide Museum is not a supermarket. The Mink Slide Museum is not a manufacturing or distribution network. It is one man's hustle to pay his bills in the suburbs. That's all it is, brothers and sisters. We are talking about real solutions. We need to be buying buildings as a community. We need to be, we got all these black people doing real estate. We got all these black people doing real estate. Every other person I meet is a licensed realtor. So let me ask you questions, licensed realtors, because I'm not a licensed realtor. I'm psychology, education, and political science. I'm not a licensed realtor. I'm psychology, education, and political science. But the question I want to ask to all my black licensed realtors, if we have so many licensed realtors, why we don't have a building that has been designated the community supermarket so the agriculturalists and the business technicians can come in and open up the fresh grocer for the black community? For all my realtors, why haven't you found a hospital yet so our medical people and our black nurses can go in there and create a community center? All these licensed black realtors, and all y'all worrying about is flipping properties for your damn self. I'm hearing about realtors are multi-millionaires, but you ain't opened up a building yet to serve the community. All these damn realtors we got, and ain't nobody got a bank yet. All these realtors, ain't nobody got a hospital yet. All these realtors, no supermarket yet. All these realtors, where are the institutions? All I'm saying, individualism will lead to the extinction of African people. Individualism will lead to the extinction of African people. If we keep on with this individual nonsense, thinking we gonna make it, we're all gonna lose. We all suffer from a collective psychosis because we believe I can make it until the white man pulls the chair out from under your ass. Okay? Divide and conquer, separate and rule is the strategy, Africans. Divide and conquer, separate and rule is the strategy. I'm not trying to be your friend. My job is to wake you up. I am not trying to be your friend. My job is to wake you up. I am Minister of Education and Mental Health for the entire African world. I am Minister of Education and Mental Health for the entire African world. So they asking about FDMG renovations. Let me give you a quick update on FDMG. We looking real good right now. We looking real good right now. HVAC is currently en route to Delaware. HVAC is currently en route to Delaware. Once it gets here, it gets loaded up on the school. We got to tie it in and hope everything working. If everything ain't working, we got to get the HVAC work done inside the school. That's where we are. That's where we are right now. I'm trying hard to get this school done, at least the gym, because I want to do Kwanzaa or Black History. Black History Month is going to be more realistic, brothers and sisters. Black History Month looks more realistic. Get the certificate of occupancy from license and inspection for the gym so we can do some Black History Month programs inside the gym. That's what I want to do. 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 I want to do some Black History Month programs inside the Nat Turner John Jacques Dessalines Gymnasium. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do for Kwanzaa or Black History Month. But y'all got to keep donating so we can cross the finish line. $ FDMG school. HVAC for the school. Hopefully that'll be approved. Now we got a few more things that got to get done in there. Got a few more things that got to get done in the school, but this HVAC, once the HVAC is done, I think we are on the home stretch. Once this HVAC gets done, I think we are on the home stretch. Somebody said I collected millions on the school, so I'm gonna block this coon. Wesley Yelso, you's a damn coon, punk ass coon. Millions of dollars. We haven't even broken a million, you dumbass coon. Goodbye. I don't like coons. Let me see if I can get rid of this Wesley. Wesley Yelso. Let me see if I can get rid of this guy. How can I get rid of Wesley? Dumbass Wesley. Talking about he collected millions of dollars, asshole. Ain't nobody collect no millions of dollars. We ain't even broke a million yet, jackass. How do I get rid of this damn Wesley? A lot of haters by the name of Wesley out there. I'm noticing that. A lot of haters by the name of Wesley out there. Let me see. I can't get rid of this coon. That's all right. I'll get you in the rebound, Wesley. I'll catch you in the rebound, coon. But brothers and sisters, continue to donate. Continue to support. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. We getting close. We getting close. Somebody calling me on my phone. But I'm about to peace on out. Hit the Cash App. Hit the PayPal. Don't forget, if you want to work at the school, $FDMG, FDMG resumes at gmail.com. FDMG resumes at gmail.com. Get them resumes in. Well, see, let me say this, brothers and sisters. It's not that they don't believe I'm building the school. That's not what this is about. The hate is not about me not building the school. The hate is about preventing me from finishing the school. They don't want to see me win, because if I win, we win. But they not focus on the we, they focus on me. They weren't about Dr.UMAR as opposed to what this will do for the community. That's the problem. That's the problem. They're focusing on me. Okay, buyer beware. Sean Brown, you cooning, bro? Sound like you cooning too. I don't know why I can't block these coons today. Got a couple coons coming in the chat. What they call them? Negative admirers is what I call them. They're not haters. They are negative admirers. They are not haters, brothers and sisters. They are negative admirers. See, if I get this institution up, we started with nothing in 2014 with a single donation in St. Louis. From nothing, We acquired 2 schools, 4 buildings, 2 gyms from nothing. So if we get them open, you're going to start demanding more accountability from all the others. Once we open the school, you're going to start demanding more accountability from the others. That's what this is about. It ain't about nothing being fraudulent. It's about we must stop him. If he succeeds, we will be held accountable for why we haven't built an institution. And the reason I don't really take the haters serious, I don't really address them too often, is because I know we are going to win. The ancestors have already told me. I made a deal with the ancestors on Goree Island, Leo season, last week of July 2005. See, I'm giving y'all I'm letting y'all into my power right now. I'm giving you my power. I made a deal with the ancestors on Goree Island off the coast of Senegal the last week of July 2005. And I told the ancestors, if you hold me down, I will do what I can to lead all African people to liberation. The ancestors, working through the will of the Creator, got me that school, raised that money, put me on top of black consciousness. See, what y'all fail to realize is the energy that motivates me is different from the energy that motivates everybody else in the conscious movement. That's why when you listen to me, you get a whole different vibration. The hair stands up on your back. The hair on your arms stand up. You get the chills when I open my mouth because the ancestors come out of my mouth. You think it's a coincidence I've been #1 for 11 years? You think that's a coincidence? You got Negroes going to jail, Negroes being accused of high crimes and misdemeanors. You got Negroes losing their mind. You got Negroes trying to copy what I'm doing by building fake institutions and museums. Brothers and sisters, it ain't no coincidence. Everybody's watching me. Everybody's watching me. They're like, how is he doing this? With no white help, no white support, exposing racism, being sabotaged, Pennsylvania State Board, and he still keeps going. I'm Ogun. I'm a son of Ogun. We don't stop. We the warriors, baby. We are the builders. Ogun is the builder. He is the warrior. He is the willpower. He is the epitome of testosterone, masculinity, brothers and sisters. No, I don't want to be no martyr. I'm not trying to die for liberation. I want to live for liberation, brother. I'm not trying to die for liberation. I'm trying to live for liberation. I'm not trying to die for liberation. I'm trying to live for liberation. I got the ancestors backing me up. You know I can't trust none of y'all. Most of y'all opportunists. Half of y'all who claim to be supporters, if you got into a room full of DR.UMAR haters, you would switch up. You ain't built like that. A true DR.UMAR supporter got to be like Ogun. Ogun stands alone. We will fight by ourselves. Most of y'all not made like that. Y'all want to be down with the get along gang. You know how many people said they support me, and so when they get around my haters, will laugh at their jokes and join in the conversation right after they left me? Y'all not made for this, and I'm not mad at you. We all have our missions in life. I'm walking mine. We all got our missions in life. I'm walking mine. Chattanooga, Tennessee, I can't wait to see you Thursday. Atlanta, can't wait to see you next Friday. Columbus, Georgia, Saturday. Columbia, South Carolina, Sunday, November 7th. Capitol Heights, Maryland, can't wait to get some of that good food from Dr. Baruch at Everlasting Life. I'm going to show up early so I can grub before I talk. Dr. Baruch, I'm coming in early to the Everlasting Life Cafe in Capitol Heights, Maryland on Wednesday, November the 10th, because I need to get some of that good food, brother. And I want all my beautiful African sisters, I need some energy. I need some nice, tight hugs from all my queens. Some nice tight hugs from all, I need some nice tight hugs from my Tennessee queens, and some nice tight hugs from my Georgia queens, and some nice tight hugs from my South Carolina queens, and some nice tight hugs from my Maryland queens, and some nice tight hugs from my Virginia queens. We got to get the work done. We got to get the work done. If you need to reach me, 215-989-9858, 215-989-9858. Peace and Pan-Africanism.